Pushday is a shell built-in command that allows us to manipulate the directory stack easily. Directory stack. This appends the directory to the top of the directory stack or rotate the stack, making the new top of the stack present working directory. So let's do this.
Okay, let me show you what is this means.
Yep.
So let me go to the home folder first. So it's
Clear
more
up.
easy to understand.
Clear.
Let me clear it. So if I use ls now, see I can see just two folder like the Asia and Dhaka. So we can navigate using the cd, right? So instead of that we can use the push t. So if we use the push t and go to the Dhaka folder, see there is something that you can see the Dhaka. Actually it stored this path, it in stack. So whenever you want to go back to the previous folder, you just have to use the popd. Let me show some more example. Like after that, like push d, then I go to the Ramna. Then under the Ramna, I think there's some other thing like the hospital. Let me show you this thing last. Push d, then the hospital. So now you can see the stack. So the stack has Dhaka, then Ramna, then hospital. It actually the path that we came in. At first we came in Dhaka, then with the Ramna, then the hospital. So now if I want to go to the back, I don't need to type cd then dot dot. I can just type popd. Then it will take me to the previous path that I was currently working on, like popd. See, right now I'm in the Ramna. You can actually verify this, the pwd. See, I'm in Ramna.
So
If I
push
use
directory,
again the
basically
pop,
push D, and pop D means out. Pop
yes,
D means they are out of the directory basically.
and it
You don't
actually
need
stack your
to.
path. So if you
Yes,
want to verify that, set the pop d. See right now there is nothing. If I use the pop d again, it will give you a message. See the directory stack is empty.
correct. That's correct. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Go back to the slide. Do the black screen. I don't like the white screen. Okay. So we're done. Go next one. Next slide. So pushd is a command in Linux that is used to change the current directory simultaneously save previous directory to a stack. Oh, so see this? So it actually show the previous one as well. To navigate between directories quickly without having to type out the full path each time. When pushd is used when you want to switch between directories frequently and efficiently. See, I didn't know this until I read this now because I can't remember things. Where pushd can be used in any Linux terminals or shell. So of course, if you want to frequent use, that's the advantage really, saving the time, right? Disadvantage is, of course, maybe confusing for new users who are not familiar with the concept of the directory stack. How to use it, you have done it already. Go next. Popd is the same. Again, this is the opposite of the pushd. It means you are going into the folder stack, directory stack, and popd is kind of exiting the folder stack. User to change the directory that was the most recently pushed onto the directory stack. Popd is used to quickly navigate back to the previously visited directory without having to manually type out the entire path. When popd can be used whenever a user wants to easily switch back to the directory that previously on the stack. Same is the opposite of the pushd. Again, allowing saving the time and also see your location exactly. Disadvantage is again, it can be confusing if you do not want to use it. But frequently, the using the multiple directory and know their path, this is the good command basically. Go next.